Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Let's go see them.
They're out for the evening, which should be nice. Hey girls. Hey. Stop eating that, it's poo. Hey, get off. Psh, don't eat that. It's not nice for you to eat that. I wonder if they're going to eat Dad's grapes. They're nice and run, look. You're right. Nice day for you, isn't it? Hello, my lovely girls. Have you laid me an egg today? You gonna eat Daddy's grapes now? You can tell this one's molting because they do this every year. Not throughout the year, but they have to get new feathers. He is kind of molting, you can see a few, but I keep it clean of course. There's mites and things. You can get Olivia, wait! Don't do that. Don't peck his feet. There's probably mites on his feet, but the rest. Hello, Mrs. Hello. You're such a sweetie. You're not meant to chase your sister. What are you eating? They're just loving it. Oh, have I forgotten about eggs? Have you laid me an egg today, Olivia? Oh, she's the only one laying, because they don't lay when they're molting. Have you laid me an egg? Or not? No egg? What's that? What's that blood? Might have to look at Steve's feet. There's another bit there. And another bit there. Oh, getting caught with the... Steve, is your feet bleeding, mate? I don't know if it is his. Oh, Stevie poo. Might have to get you tonight. Grab him. He hates being grabbed. Hello, little bird. Little bird. Well, put that over the plate so she can't eat it. What you got? Steve. Hey, darling. Bye-bye then. So when they molt, they have a thing called molting, broodiness, but you can just lock them out and they're broody. What else? You have to have clean housing, make sure they haven't got cuts on their feet, or keep their house clean, very clean. Not so clean it's perfect, but you don't need it to be perfect because there are a couple of chickens. What else? Keep it real, keep it small. Make it, keep their house clean, prevent bugs and things. What else? Molting is probably once a year, I think. I should know these things, I've had them for years, about 20 odd years. I've had all sorts of chickens, bantams, big chickens, but the big chickens are at your back garden. What else? Yeah, they're lovely. They're content. They like all the foods that we give them from the tables, from the kitchen. I might have to look at Steve's feet because there's a bit of blood in his house, but I have to find out what it is, to search what it is.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications when the next video comes on. And see you later, guys. Bye.